Hello everybody, this is Peter with GoodieReader.com, and here it is finally, the Kobo Forma, the piece of resistance. That's my French for you. We are going to do an unboxing on this, and we will show you everything that comes along in the box, but for now, here is the front and back. So we're going to open this on camera for you guys for the first time. Oh, this is exciting. Let's go over the checklist. You have your micro USB cable, quick start guide and warranty information, and you have the device itself. And that's everything that comes along in the box. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, let us know down below. And for GoodieReader.com and an unboxing of the Kobo Forma, this is Peter.